Okay, she totally like went forward like 3 times to get to that ball. And now she has it, so now she's not gonna do it. But she did. Rebecca, Becca, come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? She's laying on a toy. It probably hurts. It probably hurts. She's laying on a toy. Oh, Smitty.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Hey.
Rebecca.
I think you're okay.
That's a good cry face. Yeah.